Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to have a real quick video today. So I remember the first time I saw these and I was like, where is this coming from? Where do we get the user agent data from? So I'm going to show you. So all right, we've been working with, logging into the Wall Street Journal website, and we've been dealing with the elements section. Now I want to show you the network piece. So when you send the data through to logging in, you can actually track all of the processes that happen here. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one video upon another. So if you scroll down and you're looking at, and right now we're on headers. So we're in networks, we're on headers, and we're coming through. So these are actually how our computer and then the server, so we're the client, this is the server, are communicating with each other. And if you go all the way down to the bottom, I want to draw your eyes right here. User agent. All of this right here, it has how it's going to react with each different type of browser. So this is an important piece, and I'm sure you guys have seen this before, and you're ended up here because you're wondering where this data comes from. So just create a dictionary with the key of user agent and then the string of the actual agents themselves for each one: Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, and so on. But there we go. So super real quick video today. I know that this piece can be very challenging, so I wanted to make sure that I did this on a standalone. And we're just going to keep going. We're probably almost done with Beautiful Soup. Be moving on to, I don't know, maybe Scrapey, but a bunch of other really cool stuff. I know we've done and talked about really getting some advanced things with the Ameritrade API, because you can really begin to control everything and really get sophisticated, especially if you have a brokerage account. You can really get some very, very important and pertinent information and really get laser focused on what you find works for you. So there we go, guys. Like I said, real quick video today. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.